In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Minecraft error could not create Java Virtual Machine T-Launcher. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is first, open up your Windows Start menu and search for Environment. You should be able to go to the Control panel and go to the Edit the System and Environment Variables page. In here, click the Environment Variables button at the bottom of the page and now create a new one on the System Variables. What you have to do is input the variable name as _Java_options all caps and then the variable value as _XMX512M and then save. Once you save this system variable, restart your computer and try opening up Minecraft again to see if it works. If it doesn't work, what you can try is to open up your web browser and go to the Java website. Make sure you look for the Java Development Kit and you download the according Java Development Kit for your computer. Make sure to download the latest version available and the one that corresponds to your computer, so either 32-bit or 64 bits. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Minecraft error could not create Java Virtual Machine in T-Launcher. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.